everyone. It's nice to see you again with me. Once we know what is linked list and its basic understanding, we are good enough to start with writing our own linked list. So firstly, when we will create our own linked list, we need to create two classes. The first class will be the node class and it is the smallest or the simplest unit of the linked list. And then we will create our linked list class. When we will create our node class, at that time we will require two parameters. First one will be the value and the second one will be the next. And when we will create our linked list class, at that time three things are mandatory: the head, tail and length property. Once we will create these two things, we are good enough to write our other methods of linked list. So let's structure our first class section in VS. So firstly, I will create my node class. In my node class, I will write constructor. Inside constructor, I will take value as my one of the parameter. And then I will write this dot value is equal to value. I am writing this node class so that I need not to write again and again the same code to create node. So using this, the things will be simplified. Once we have node class and there the this dot value is value and this dot next is equal to null, we are good enough with our node class. Then we will create our linked list class. Linked list. Inside that again we will write constructor, but this time constructor will accept nothing. It will have three properties: this dot head, which will be blank in the beginning. Then we will have this dot tail. It will also be blank in the beginning. And last but not least, we will have this dot length. It will be 0 in the beginning. Once we are done with this, we are good enough to write our push method, pop method, set method, like so many methods, whatever we want to implement in our linked list. So stay tuned in our next video tutorial. There we will write our first method, that is push method. Thank you very much for now.